In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a phone number clickable in WordPress. If you want visitors to be able to tap a phone number and call you directly from their phone, WordPress makes that process very simple. This is especially useful for business websites, contact pages, headers, footers, or anywhere you want to make it easier for people to reach you quickly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to turn a regular phone number into a clickable link using the WordPress site editor. To begin, go to your site editor in WordPress. This is where you can edit the layout and content of your site, depending on the theme you're using. Once you're inside the editor, navigate to the section where your phone number appears. That might be in your homepage, your header, your footer, or another template area. Take a moment to locate the exact phone number you want people to click. Next, highlight the phone number. Simply click and drag over the full number so the text is selected. Make sure you only select the phone number itself if that's the only part you want to be clickable. If you include extra spaces or surrounding text by accident, the link may apply to more than intended, so it's worth being a little careful here. After that, click the link icon in the formatting toolbar. This is the same tool you normally use to create a regular hyperlink. Once you click it, WordPress will let you add a destination for that selected text. For a phone number, you'll want to enter it in a phone link format so devices can recognize it properly when someone clicks or taps it. Be sure the number is entered cleanly and consistently, since formatting matters for usability. Once that's done, your phone number should now function as a clickable link. On mobile devices, tapping it will usually open the phone app and prompt the visitor to place a call. On desktop, behavior can vary depending on the user's device and settings, but the link will still be recognized as a phone contact link in many cases. As a final tip, always test the link after creating it. Preview the page, click the number, and confirm it behaves the way you expect. This quick check can help you catch formatting issues before your visitors do. And that's it. That's how to make a phone number clickable in WordPress using the site editor.